Yo, what is up YouTube? Quillen Gamer, get back on the video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use your iPhone as a webcam. This is going to be pretty easy, and all it's going to take is obviously your iPhone and a computer or a laptop or whatever you want to use. As long as it is, I believe this works on a Mac too, but as long as you have the program on your computer, it should work. And you could do it through USB, or also if you are on the same internet connection on both the computer and the phone, you could just do it through the Wi-Fi and it'll work fine. So first you're going to want to download the program to your computer, which it is called IPCam, and I'll give the link here in the description. I'll show you how to download it, what you got to push, and it's pretty simple. Just download that. Maybe it's going to pop up saying that the file isn't safe, but it is safe. I put it on my computer and I haven't had any issues, so I would just download it if I was you. Once you do have that on your computer, you are now going to set it up and make sure it is running good. Now that it's all set up on your computer, you are going to download the app on your phone. I think it's called IPCam on your phone too, so you just download that, and once you have that downloaded, you basically have the program on the computer open first, then open the app, and it should automatically connect if you are on the same internet connection on both devices. And I will be showing here how it looks on the screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You can also flip the camera if you want to do it the other way, but once you are connected on both, it is pretty simple. Basically any program or website is going to recognize the thing as a webcam. And here I'm going to show you here, I actually was able to connect it to Zoom, which is a popular website right now that people are using for school and work and all that. So you could use it on there, and it is going to be alright quality, but at least you have a webcam. And I'm also going to be showing you guys here that you can use it on OBS Studio, which is a free program that you can stream with, and it's pretty easy to set it up on there too. You just make a window capture. Once you make the window capture, you click the software that I click here and it pops up. And to crop the screen on the display, you do Control Alt and then you just drag up on both sides, and you're gonna get rid of the watermark, and you can also get rid of the bottom part that's on the screen, just leaving you with a webcam here, as you can see. And that's pretty much all you do, guys. It is pretty simple. It is a free program. You can buy the full one where it doesn't give you a watermark and stuff, but I just recommend you have this for now, and if you do like it, you could buy it if you want. But I hope you guys like this video. Drop a comment if you have any questions and I'll help you out, and let me know what you guys think. Peace out, guys. Later.